Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read our worksheet number 2 that is about conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins words, phrases, and sentences. Means the word which are used to join different words or to join parts of sentences or even to join two different sentences to make a conjoined sentence. This type of words are called conjunctions. And the examples of conjunctions are but, and, because, or, when, if, for, so, yet, etc. Question number one is complete the given statements using suitable conjunctions. Number one is this is a small dash interesting story. In this blank, the word but will be used. This is a small but interesting story. Number two, make hay dash the sun shines. In this blank, while will be used. While the sun shines. Third one is my cousins arrived dash we were in school. Here we will use the word when we were in school. Next one is you can take a taxi dash a bus to go to Shimla. Here we will use or, taxi or a bus. Next one is will you take care of a dog dash we are away for the weekend. Here the word while will be used. While we are away for the weekend. Next one is my mother will come dash not my sister. Here but will be used but not my sister. Next one is Hitesh hurt himself dash he fell from the stairs. Here the word when will be used when he fell from the stairs. Next one is you must study hard dash you want to score top marks. Here if will be used if you want to score. Next one is we aren't going to the park dash it's raining. Here because will be used because it's raining. Last one is I need milk, butter, dash, bread. Here and will be used and bread. Question number two is complete the given sentences using suitable conjunctions. Number one, we don't go to the beach, dash, it's cold. Options are or, because, but, and when. The correct option is because it's cold. Next one is they don't like meat dash fish. Options are or, and, but, and nor. And the correct option is or. They don't like meat or fish. Next one is I don't go to the cinema dash I haven't got any money. Options are for, but, and because. And the correct option is because I haven't got any money. Next one is she studied a lot dash she never passes the exams. Options are if, as, but, and that. And the correct option is but. Next one is you have got an exam tomorrow dash you must study tonight. Options are when or because and so, and the correct option is so. So you must study tonight.